everyone? This is a quick review of the SmartPods Plus by PoM. These headphones are basically a replica of the AirPods by Apple. As you can see, the case has a similar design. However, it is significantly cheaper, but for a good reason. These earphones cost $16.99. That is $16.99. So the quality is what you get when you pay your 16 bucks. As you can see, the case is basically reminiscent of AirPods with a few differences, of course. The charging port is on the back and it uses the micro USB standard. This case can last up to 12 hours and the headphones inside have a 3-hour charge per headphone. Unfortunately, because you're paying such a low price, some of the major features are cut. So the AirPods clone, basically, do connect to the phone automatically. However, it doesn't do it in the traditional way that you would expect. I interrupt this video to update you on a feature these headphones have. So in the video, you'll see that the case actually does control the headphones and that they power them on and off when you take them out of that case. In my original video, I was unable to get this feature to work for my phone, which is why I have the method that I do. You'll see it after this cut, but the headphones do indeed power on and connect to the phone and power off when you take them out or put them in the case. So I just wanted to update this video to let you know that feature does work, and the method you're about to see is a workaround if they don't work. So I found that this feature is definitely inconsistent for sure. But as you can see, they will power off once I put them in the case. Alright, back to the original video. So to connect them, you have to pull each headphone out, and you'll see LED indicators. Each headphone operates on its own, so you have to connect them one by one by pressing this button. If they don't connect automatically, then you have to hold this button to connect. And to power them off, you have to hold these buttons to power them off. As you see, the red indicating LED says that they're off. They do not power off if you just put them in the case, so you have to power them off manually. They also do not charge when you put them in the case by themselves. You have to manually do so by pressing this button on the front. That blue LED indicates that the headphones inside this case are charging. When the blue LED goes red, that means the case itself is low and you have to connect this cable to charge them. When they're charged, the LED indicator will be flashing red, and then when they're fully charged, the flashing red LED will be solid red. So after using these for about a few days, the sound quality is, well, what you get when you pay 16 bucks. They have no bass at all. The highs are there. Really, the only thing these have are, and that's about it. They don't get loud, and when they do, they are distorted. So try to keep these at a medium high volume, but don't go too high because you'll start to get the distorted sound. As you can see, the design is once again very similar to AirPods, although I do like the glossy black finish. Pretty good. These buttons do have controls. Unfortunately, you can only play, pause, and answer calls. You can also operate your voice assistant, so if you use these for Android, for iOS, but I couldn't get them to work. They only work when you activate the voice assistant on the phone, and then you can use these to tell it to do something, but it will not activate the voice assistant just using the headset. They say it does, but I couldn't get it to work as of today, January 17th, 2020. Also, as you can see, this case does not have any magnets at all, so it relies on a clip. Same with the AirPods clone themselves. They do not have a magnet, so you have to press it in to get it to click in. If you don't do so, they will not charge properly. So if you get the Apple AirPods, little magnetic click, these, you have to click it in. Also, they use an older USB standard, so they're not as easy to plug in as USB-C or Lightning, but hey. As you can see, that's the design. I do like the black finish though. I wish AirPods would make something like this, or Apple, I should say. But yeah, that's basically it. Personally, I think you should go in the spectrum. Noise is a bit low, and the sound quality and feature set is a bit lackluster. But if you want to get into this market with wireless headphones, this is definitely an entry-level headphone set. So if you really want to get into it but don't want to spend too much, this definitely is the way to go. But personally, I think you should just shell out another 20-30 bucks and get something that fixes all these issues, like the manual charging and the magnetic flap. Also, like I said, each headphone operates independently, so they can desync sometimes, which means the headphones will lose their synchronicity and they will sound a little echoed because one is either behind the other or slightly ahead of the other one, so it will sound echoed. That does happen sometimes. That's just because these headphones operate by themselves instead of using the case to do the syncing. So sometimes you'll get a desync. But yeah, these work with iOS and Android. They do use the assistant for the respective OS, but like I said, you can't, well, at least I couldn't get it to activate the assistant using just the headphones. I had to use my phone, and then from the headphones you can tell it what to do. So that's a feature that they say works, but I couldn't get it to work. So overall, these are really good entry-level headphones. But like I said, I think you should chill a little bit more and get a slightly higher model if they have it, and then have them fix some of the issues for a little bit more money. But that's my opinion. If you like the video, please leave a like or comment. Let me know if you have these, or if you think my review is accurate. But yeah, these are the quick reviews of the PoM SmartPods Plus. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one. What's up YouTube, Jamos here, and today we're going to do an unboxing of PoM SmartPods Pro. If you remember on the channel, I did a unboxing of their SmartPods Plus. This is their Pro edition. And as you see, they're pretty similar to Apple's line. You have the AirPods and then you have the AirPods Pro. So this is their take on it. Inside the box, you see the things they say these pods could do. All the features, and then there they are themselves. Now they're already on for some reason, don't know why. But this is the first thing you see. like the originals, they don't come in the case already. You have to put them in there. And then all that's left in the box is the accessories pouch, which comes with silicone tips for better fit, a micro USB charging cable, and how to set these up, because these do require a little bit extra. All right, let's take them out of this plastic thing by doing this. Okay, let's get that out of here. Okay, so this is a little thing. It's another quick start guide. And then here they are. So the reason why they're blinking red and blue is because how these work, they have to pair to each other first before they can connect to your phone. Now, I didn't set these up yet, so they're probably looking for my phone, but how they're supposed to work is you open this case, which, by the way, looks a lot like the AirPods. If we bring in the AirPods here, this is what they're trying to go for. As you see, they're pretty close. Micro USB charger down there, and of course you have the lightning. Now I will say the lid on these is not magnetic at all. It's held in by probably a clip or something, but you have to snap them open and close them. But yeah, so in order to get this going, you put them in the case. Okay, now that they're in the case, you open it, and as you see, they turn on. They're going to connect to each other and then connect to your phone. Now, when you first set these up, you do have to go to Bluetooth, find them, and then connect them for them to work. And then every time you open the case and put these in your ear, it will take a little longer because they have to connect to each other and then the phone, but they should automatically do it every time after you connect it to your phone the first time. Also, if you can hear, they are not magnetically held in. So let me demonstrate. Yeah, so it's another thing they didn't put in these. I believe the first ones didn't have them either, but for 30 bucks, you can't really go wrong. I mean, the design is pretty close. It's, of course, a little bulkier and a lot lighter and cheaper, but I mean, like I said, it's 30 bucks. But as you see, they have a pretty close resemblance. Also, these work with your respective assistant. So if you press this button right here and hold it, it will activate your assistant, whether you're on Android or iOS. They do work with those, so that's a good thing. It makes it a little easier. The case is 300 milliamp hours, so you can probably get like 4 charges out of these. These are 40 milliamp hours. I believe they last about 4 hours before you have to charge them. And they charge just like how AirPods do. Put them in the case, close it, they'll turn off. Open the case, they'll turn on and connect. I haven't tested audio quality, but if they're like the first ones, it's passable. Like I said, these are 30 bucks, so you can't really go wrong. You're honestly probably getting these just for the convenience factor of connecting. And yeah, here's what comes in the box. You have your charging cable, quick start guide, and then your silicone tips for a better fit. And yeah, that's pretty much everything that comes in this box. That is basically it for the PoM SmartPods Pro. If you have any questions, let me know. This is their up-to-date attempt at mimicking the AirPods, and they do a pretty good job for the price. So like I said, if you could find them, it's worth a buy. It's only 30 bucks, and it's a good deal. But thanks for watching, and I'll catch you on the next one. Peace.